Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I made these I love you and I love you more pillows. They're pretty simple to make and it is a great decoration for Valentine's Day. If you want to make the ABC one, you can go and check out my other video. I'm using freezer paper to make this one. It is awesome and I love how it turned out. So we're gonna start with this one, and I already have my design. I also have the video on how to edit the design for this and on YouTube, so if you wanna go check it out. And basically I'm just cutting the vinyl. I'm gonna use heat transfer vinyl and I'm gonna start weighting it out. It is a simple design, it doesn't take long, so if you're not very skilled with your computer skills, this is something that you can definitely do without having to purchase any design. But if you would like to purchase the file, I'm gonna post it on my Etsy. It's gonna be down below. So I'm gonna be using this fabric, and you can make the pillow however size you want. Mine was 14 by 17, and I'm gonna iron this fabric because it's too wrinkled. So I'm gonna use the press just to do a quick iron and to prep it so I can add the vinyl. Now I'm gonna place it in the center. I didn't realize that little white line that was there until too late, but these are for my house, so there is no issue. I'm gonna press for 30 seconds at 315 Fahrenheit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one while this one cools off a little bit. So as you can tell, it is a simple design, and you just press it this way, and when it's a little cool, you can start pulling out the protective film. So I'm gonna go ahead now and take the same size piece and I'm gonna cut it in half, and this will facilitate the opening of my pillow. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this fabric in half, and then with the help of my mini iron, I'm gonna start making a hem. I'm gonna fold and iron. That way when I'm sewing it, it's not gonna be moving around, especially because this fabric is a little soft, and it can actually give me a lot of trouble when I'm sewing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a simple stitch in here to prevent the fabric from fraying. This is the kind of fabric that will fray easily, so I want to avoid that and go ahead and take all the precautions I can. The next step is pretty simple. You're just gonna place the two ends that you just hemmed on top of the design. It has to fade the design, that way when you sew it, it won't lose its shape. So I'm gonna add a couple of pins just so it doesn't move, because it is a little slippery when you put it against the other fabric. And I'm gonna sew all around, leaving just that opening so it can be easy to turn around. Once you have them done, you turn them around and you can iron them or just leave them like this. So they are simple pillows that you can make at home to decorate for Valentine's Day, and they look adorable. You can also make them for your room or your office. I really like them, and this other idea, it is fantastic because I use two different methods. So go check it out. I'm gonna put the video right here, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep a lookout for the new Valentine's videos I'm gonna be posting. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.